Imagine buying a smartwatch that looks premium, lasts almost a month, and costs less than some earbuds. That's the Redmi Watch 6. And honestly, this thing is kind of scary for the price. You're getting a massive 2.07-inch AMOLED display, crazy bright 2000 nits, smooth 60 Hz refresh rate, built-in GPS, Bluetooth calling, sleep tracking, heart rate monitoring, stress tracking, blood oxygen tracking, and over 150 sports modes. But here's the wild part, the battery. Xiaomi claims up to 24 days on one charge. Even real users online are getting around 7 to 12 days with heavy use, which absolutely destroys most smartwatches. And the design? Super thin, aluminum frame, looks way more expensive than it actually is. Now, yes, it's not perfect. No Wear OS, no real app ecosystem like Apple Watch, and hardcore athletes say GPS and sensors still aren't flagship level. But for normal people, gym, notifications, calls, health tracking, daily wear, this thing is ridiculously good. And no, the Redmi Watch 6 is not a scam if you buy the official version. The fake clone watches online are the real problem. So here's the real question. Why are people still spending 5 times more on a smartwatch when this already does almost everything they actually use every day? Follow for more brutally honest tech reviews.